Greetings, fellow educators. For your EdTech Quick Tip of the week, I've got a Google hack for you. I love a good spreadsheet, but I also love it more whenever I can find one that is a template that looks way better than anything I could ever design. There's an easy way to find them. If you go to Google, you type in this site, docs.google.com/spreadsheets, and then you want to type in quotes and whatever it is you're wanting to search for. A couple of cool ones that I found was budget. All of these results are spreadsheets that other people have created and have made them public on the internet. So we've got an annual business budget, we've got a personal monthly budget, and they have done a nice job of letting people know just how they can copy this template. So for any of these, you're just going to go to File, make a copy, and you'll have a copy that is yours you can edit. Another topic that I searched for that I found some really good results was education. This first result here was pretty cool. Education companies offering free subscriptions. Check out this list of free resources with hyperlinks included so you can go and check those products out for yourself. Another good topic that I found to search for is IEP. This first one's kind of intriguing. It's a goal and graphing spreadsheet. So on the first page, it kind of goes over how to utilize the spreadsheet, and then it has different sheets that you can use to track those various goals within a student's IEP. So once again, if you need that URL, there it is up at the top. Just type this into Google, quotation marks, whatever keyword or words you want to use there, and you'll be able to find some cool spreadsheets. Hope that you guys enjoyed this EdTech Quick Tip, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.